Hey YouTubers, I'm back. Bruce from the Cool Geerage. Gonna go inside the cargo trailer build and start to get my my electrical run for the lights up in behind the ceilings. I've got a 1x6 pine product, which is really good, tongue and groove. So it'll go inside the up into the ceiling really nice. So it's a good product and it's gonna be versatile for what I'm looking for. So as you can see, I'll get down low. I am going to be running the power from the front of the trailer across the back. I'm going to hit the Fantastic Fan area. I'll run some power for that. I've got puck lights throughout, marked out here on the ceilings, and I'll be running down the center, branching off, and getting all my wiring in preparation for the installation of the ceiling. And that's going to be a bit of a challenge because it's 1x6. It's going to be installed right directly to the rafters that I have in my previous video. You saw me screwing on the pieces of plywood onto the steel rafters of the roof. And then I'm going to use a DeWalt pinner to install the boards themselves. So stay tuned. I'll give you a rundown as I'm going as to how I'm going to be installing the product onto the ceiling. But of course, I should point out, and you know me, what do we have here? Well, look at this. We have got, I'm only going to show you once until it's done. We got chicken. Beer can chicken, Bruce style, non-beer can. It's going to be lemon juice and lemons in there, along with spices. And it's going to be amazing because it will be steaming up through the up and into the chicken. So that'll be ready in about 8 hours or so, and it'll just keep me company while I'm putting the ceiling on. So stay tuned. I'll give you the progress as it goes. Hey YouTube, I'm back. It's been a couple days since I was last on here, and I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a progress. I've had a chance to get the ceiling installed, as well as getting the puck lights up and running too. So here we go. I've left the center line open still. This is where I've got access. I'm going to have a board over top of it. I'm going to have access to running additional wires and whatnot. And before I close this up, I'm going to stabilize all this. I got my wires for the Fantastic Fan. More here. The Fantastic Fan is going to go up in this ceiling spot. You'll see a video of that shortly. I've got a wire that goes out the front of the building, out of the front of the trailer, out of the side of the trailer, the back of the trailer, and the other side of the trailer. So at nighttime I can light up the entire area. Got my main feeds hanging from here, all going up and over, and then coming back down here. So you'll see it all installed when I get a chance, but I just thought I'd give you a bit of a progress report on what's going on with what I've got done. So there we are. I'll be putting in another day. I'm hoping to get the roof vent in, Fantastic Fan wired up, and make sure that works too. So stay tuned and I will keep you posted. Hey YouTubers, so here I am. I'm going to be installing a Fantastic Fan. It's for dual purpose, air drawing in and air pulling out. So here we go. Keep going. We have the Fantastic Fan installed. It was a break in the weather, so I jumped upstairs and got the unit installed there, cut out while it wasn't raining. Now it's starting to rain again. Cut it out down below here. I'm just about to hook it up with the correct wires, and just stay tuned and you'll see how that happens as we go. I think I should say is when you're doing your wiring for your anything in a car or trailer or whatever it is that you're doing, you want to make sure that you use a good wire connectors, and I always put tape on them just to prevent it from backing off with the vibrations. So just put tape on them, hold them in there nice and tight. You can see there's an even gap all the way around here. Means you got to cut it down because the roof is not thick enough, so they give you an allowance for that. So it's pretty good. Easy to do. Easy to mark out. to give you lines to follow. So there we have it. Stay tuned. I'll get back to you in a second. So there we have it. Fantastic fan is in and done, all trimmed out. Ceiling is in, lights are in, and moving on to the next episode, and you will see it with the walls up. As I had described how the space plan, now I'm going to get the walls up and you will see it in, and I'll go from there. So, hope you've enjoyed this episode. Bruce from the Cool Geerage, out.